Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to replace toner cartridge in Brother DCP-1510E. So you need to push the scanning unit up and fix it in the place and let it rest on this green stick. And next, open this cover, just open it with 2 fingers. Also fix it in the place, and here is your toner cartridge. You need to remove the cartridge first, so just grab the handle and pull towards you like this. The cartridge is removed. Next, you need to prepare the new cartridge. There is a protective paper on it, so you need to find the blue ribbon over here, pull the ribbon and remove the protective paper, and now your cartridge is ready to be installed. You need to turn it like this so that the Brother logo faces you. Also make sure that this slider at the left of the cartridge is completely at the left. And now you need to place the cartridge in the printer so that these protruding cylindric parts, these details on both sides, are matching with the grooves and aligned like this. And now just push the cartridge down to the end like this until it slightly clicks. Now you can close this cover. Now slightly push the scanning unit up so that this stick is moving freely, and completely close the unit like this, and you're all set. If this was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, and see you in the next video.